Hello, this is Grant Allen, the greatest plumber in Los Banos. He will charge you a very reasonable price. We are very happy with his service. So you can call him. I will put his phone number on my page so you can go and call him, okay? Just look to him more so he can finish the job.
It's warm today, John.
Yeah, you deserve it. I have Twitter account, I have Instagram, and the first one I have is YouTube. I have designed a windmill to generate power up to 200 kilowatt per hour.
Oh, really?
So when next time you come, I will text you my YouTube name, the channel. You can look and running. And I also design a concept boat run by electric motor, charged by windmill and what did I say? Yeah, solar panel.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I have that. I build my with one hand. Small wooden boat, modern boat. You look at my channel, you see it. His phone number 559-333-4399. And he lives in Los Banos.